Okay, as long as I'm at it, I might as well go into the Shogun FIXIN to fire. Shall see what's going on inside there. See if they've got any cross matching happening in them also. So let's take a look. Well, as we can see here, it's machine pasted. So now to get into that, let's venture on. Alright, there's the BP. And this is what I expected, and it's pretty typical. A slurry dip and a BP slurry and a dip in BP, and that's pretty typical. That's a pretty big chunk in there though, usually pretty light. If there's any cross matching, it could be underneath all that. That's possible. Almost looks like there is that going on. It's hard to tell. We're just going to leave it alone. But FIXIN to fire. Look at that guy. Ooh, fire! He's on fire.